Now, let us see the occurrence of carbon. Carbon occurs in nature in two states. One is free state, as element, and other is combined state, in the form of compounds with other elements. In free state, carbon occurs mainly in the form of diamond and graphite. In combined state, carbon occurs in nature in the form of compounds like carbon dioxide gas in air, carbonates like limestone, marble, and chalk, fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, organic compounds like carbohydrates, fats and proteins, wood, cotton, and wool, etc. Now, let us move on to carbon compounds. Compounds which consists of predominantly only carbon are said to be carbon compounds. In fact, all living things, plants, and animals, are made up of carbon-based components. Organic compounds. The compounds having plant or animal origin are classified as organic compounds. Example, CH4, which is methane, C2H6, which is ethane, CH2, OMH, which is starch. Here, methane and ethane are animal origins, whereas starch is plant origin. Now, let us move on to the allotropes of carbon. The various physical forms in which carbon element can exist are called allotropes of the element. The carbon element exists in three solid forms, called allotropes. The three allotropes of carbon are diamond, graphite, and Buckminster fullerene. Please note that Buckminster fullerene is the new allotrope of carbon, which has been discovered in 1985, and its properties are still being investigated. Allotropes will be explained in detail in the next topics. Now, let us see the tetravalency of carbon. Carbon is tetravalent. Carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. So, it requires 4 electrons to achieve a stable 8-electron inert gas electron arrangement, which it gets by sharing. Tetra means 4, and valent means valency. The 4 valencies of carbon are usually represented by putting 4 short lines on the symbol of carbon.